Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samira Ali, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you live from Malta. Estonia is at its peak of its winter right now, and we thought to come to Malta to enjoy the beautiful city in all its glory and also to enjoy the sunlight and the really beautiful island. The hotel we stayed had amazing views of the sea, and it was a very prime location, meaning it was close to anything and everything. Restaurants, shopping malls, convenience stores, everything was at close range. I really loved the weather here, not too cold and not too hot either. I also read somewhere that the city has up to 300 days of good weather in a year, and that just seems perfect. So while we were here, we planned on visiting the beautiful islands of Gozo and Comino, but for some reason the company we were meant to go with cancelled at the last minute. So we planned to reschedule. On our way to Malta National Aquarium, we enjoyed the beautiful views of Malta. I can't still believe how incredibly beautiful Malta is, and I can't believe it took me this long to visit. The weather, for one, sold Malta to me, but also the views are pretty great as well. Here is the Malta National Aquarium. Oh, what a view! My son loved seeing all the sea creatures. I also loved it as well. I learned so much while we were here. To me, this stingray just looked like it had a face on it, even if I know that is not the head. Leave a comment below if you see what I'm talking about as well. This fish also felt like a blanket to me, maybe because of the way it was moving in the water. I also liked that there were tablets here to give you more information on any sea creatures that they had there. Visiting the Malta National Aquarium was fun, but I really don't think the price was worth it. Although I loved visiting the place, but I still don't think the price was worth it. We were meant to visit Gozo and Comino Islands the following day, but my son had an accident. I decided to create more of Instagram content while we were on the trip. Head over to my IG page to see how that went. I am going to be leaving my handle on the screen. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for joining me today. I really appreciate you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.